YG Tech is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I have the iPhone 7 Plus and iPhone SE first generation. So we're gonna have a speed test. So iPhone SE first generation is running the latest version of the iOS. iPhone 7 Plus is running the previous version. So let me show you. So let's go to the settings. Let's go to general. Let's go to about. And as you can see, 14.7.1, this is the latest version of the iOS. So let me show you the iPhone 7 Plus. So let's go to settings, let's go to general, let's go to about, and as you can see, 14.4.1. So this is the previous version of the iOS. So it's interesting to see if there's any difference in the speed. So latest version vs previous version, obviously we have some difference now. So iPhone SE first generation has only 2 GB of RAM with Fusion A9 chip. However, the iPhone 7 Plus has 3 GB of RAM with Fusion A10 chip. So there's some difference obviously, but the iPhone SE is running the latest version, so we'll see if there's any difference in the speed. So let's kick this video right now. There's no any recent apps, so let's start with some basic applications on a daily basis. So let's start with the phone in 3, 2, 1. So I think this was a little bit faster, I believe, on the iPhone 7 Plus, but you are the judge. Let's start with messaging in 3, 2, 1. I believe this was about the same, but again, you are the judge. So let's open the settings in 3, 2, 1. So I believe this was about the same, but again, you are the judge. Let's open YouTube in 3, 2, 1. It's a little bit faster maybe. Yes, it's a little bit faster on the iPhone 7 Plus, as you can see. In my opinion, obviously this is not going to be big massive difference. Obviously this depends on the internet connection as well, so the both phones are connected to the same network. So let's start with some different apps. So let's open TikTok in 3, 2, 1. It's a little bit faster on the iPhone 7 Plus, but nothing special in my opinion. So let's open some different apps now. So let's open the calendar in 3, 2, 1. I think this was about the same. Let's open the weather in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I believe this was about the same, as you can see, but nothing massive, nothing major in my opinion, but you are the judge. Let's open Facebook in 3, 2, 1. That's interesting. So I think the iPhone SE is first for some reason, which this is strange in my opinion. So yeah, so we have an iPhone SE first. Wow, this is nice. Let's start with some games now. So let's open Pac-Man in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, the iPhone 7 Plus is a little bit faster, but nothing major, maybe a couple of seconds behind. But again, you are the judge. So let's open Crash Bandicoot, I believe it's called, in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I believe the iPhone 7 Plus is gonna be faster again. As you can see, nothing major in my opinion, maybe a couple of seconds behind, but end of the day, nothing special in my opinion. So let's open Instagram in 3, 2, 1. So as you can see, the scrolling situation is pretty good. But yeah, iPhone 7 Plus, it's a little bit faster. Let's open Twitter in 3, 2, 1. I believe this was the iPhone SE first generation. You are the judge. But as you can see, nothing major. So obviously depends of the internet connection again, but both phones are smooth enough. They're running the iOS 14, and we'll see now with iOS 15 if the SE first generation is going to be basically the last update that we'll get. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and let me know what do you think about this comparison. Let me know if you want to see something else in the future. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. The only problem with this iPhone SE 4th generation obviously is gonna be the battery, because the battery is very small, and obviously if you have a bigger battery it's much better to the day. iPhone 7 Plus has a much bigger battery, but some people still prefer this compact, nice design, one hand use. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what do you think about iPhone SE first generation or iPhone 7 Plus. So the idea of today's video is if there's any difference if you update to latest version. There's not massive difference, so my opinion is if the phone works fine, you should not update. If you see that any slowdown of the iOS, then you should update. But in my opinion, my daily use, I don't see any problems with these both phones. They work pretty fine. So the recent apps, as you can see here, everything is here. So obviously we have 3 gigabytes of RAM vs 2 gigabytes of RAM. Nothing major, as you can see. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. As always, stay tuned and be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.